back, ladies and gentlemen. I am the three-time the Boxer award-winning the Boxer.
And I am still the goddamn lowly one-time the Boxer award-winning autistic chef, David Leahy.
Yeah, and that's what happens when you try to beat me up during our award show.
Fuck. I guess I'm not getting that for no. I'm gonna be one time for a little longer, I guess. That's okay. I don't mind.
So, finally back at it. I think the last one we did was Easter.
Yeah.
And you have another taco thing that you wanted to do?
Yeah, I'm doing a Bisquick Taco bake. It's kind of a recipe my mom made back in the day. But it's modified. Instead of using ground beef like Tricia did, I'm doing shredded pork. So kind of a more gussied up version of it. So, yeah, it'll be good though.
Well, you can taco the taco, but can you wacko the wacko?
Oh, tell me, please.
Now, now you said it's baked, right?
Yes.
So how much number one is this going to require? You see what happens when we only shoot like every few months? I have to torment this guy with lots more jokes.
Oh. Alright, let's get started.
You see, I have to be pretty quick with the jokes.
Alright, let's get started though, folks. So, a little bit of oil.
Be back. Oil be back.
Oi.
Gotta put the veggies in.
Yep.
Because the taco just didn't quite feel like a taco without veggies.
Nope. They're all sliced very thin on the mandolin, so they're uniform. You see, everything looks uniform. I didn't use a knife. I did a uniform with a mandolin, so looks good. Professional. Mr. Professional here. I gotta be professional, right? So there you go.
Now, if Lindsay did that, would she have to use a wood mandolin?
Oh God. You kind of cheat a little bit and kind of speed up a little bit if you want. Here we have beer, gluten-free beer glazed braised pork shoulder. Did it myself. Gluten-free beer, onions, garlic, poblano, Anaheim, and jalapeno chilies. And also in here is guajillo, ancho, and chipotle chilies, and also beef broth. If it's in big chunks, it's okay. I'm gonna try and break down the bigger chunks if I can.
They're gonna be pretty brazen if you didn't.
Yep.
So it's braised pork?
Oh, fuck. Oh, God damn it. I need more meat than that. Come on, don't be cheap. Don't be cheap on this one. You know what? Fuck it. Add the rest of it. I'm feeling generous today. This is garbage. Shouldn't be in there. So I'm just gonna break up the bigger pieces. Most of, if you don't have big pieces, some of it will break down with the when you start cooking it with the sauce. This is the liquid, the braised liquid. Everything's together with a little bit of tomato paste and more beer. I'll try some of this or no?
No. I'll try it with when it's all done.
Casserole, yeah. This is a recipe my mom used to make, so I always wanted to do something kind of a version of it, kind of something on that variety. There you go, add our sauce. Don't be cheap on the sauce, by the way. You can add like 3 or 4 good shots of the sauce in there. Now I'm gonna make a corny joke here. Time for some corny jokes.
You're not a high enough ranking in the army. You're not a colonel.
Oh, Jesus! Oh, hey, that was a good one. I like that one. That was good, actually. That was actually a good one. I actually like that one. That was actually really well done. That was a good one. Wouldn't be a casserole, like mashed casserole with a little bit of corn, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you remember the budget tacos I did back in January?
Yep.
My mom actually like when I did tacos, but the ones I did for her were beef.
Those are really good though. Those veggie ones were really good.
Yeah.
I can modify those, and I can think of some ideas with that. Inspiration. I can get some good ideas with that.
Yeah, you know what they say. Necessity is the mother of invention.
Damn right.
So like yeah, sometimes you just have to budget out. When you have to budget out, those are like, hey, here's like $1, like less than $1.25 per taco. That's pretty good.
Damn right it is. Hey, we're gonna roll with tacos. Tacos rule.
Yep.
Tacos rule. Like that episode of there's an episode of Raw Chicken where this message, tacos rule.
Yep.
I agree 100% on that one. Tacos rule. Yes, they do. So now, I'm gonna pour this into here. Ho ho ho. Maybe a bad good. So now we do Bisquick over here. Got Bisquick. 2 cups of Bisquick. Guess we did cheese on this one. I'm using lots of free cheese.
No, I think that's not good enough. You should have used Grelevin cheese, because Grelevin is 3 better than great.
Oh.
Are you cheesed off at my jokes?
Yes. Your jokes are cheesing me off to no end. Yes, I'm thoroughly cheesed off at your funny jokes.
Well, you don't like when I crack a joke?
God! Oi! 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 Oi!
You know, at some point I might hit a dozen of them.
You kind of do like a pancake kind of thing, mix kind of thing. Now we have cheese. Alright, so now, flatten that out. spread it out a little bit. Don't have to be perfect, but do the best. Gesundheit.
Curse me.
Every day I curse you and your existence. No, I don't. You know I don't, right? I know I don't curse your existence. No, I don't, right? I'm just... Sorry, I was just mean. That was kind of a cheap shot.
Dude, I was the one who cursed myself, so...
How myself, how me. And... Actually, before we... anything... I'm gonna do a couple photos for myself. Looks pretty good. Hopefully it'll be okay. And in it goes. Ouch. Don't burn yourself either. Ow, motherfucker. Alright, we'll be right back. Be right back, folks. That looks, woo, that looks, holy shit, sanctimonious feces. That looks really fucking good. Okay, hold on, before we do anything, alright folks, we're back, and before I plate, two photos here. My mom's gonna get the first photos of this for sure. My mom's gonna get the first photos of this when it's done. This is her recipe. This is her recipe. Well, this is not her recipe, but the recipe that I'm following is her recipe. So let's move this over a little bit here this way. Just so it doesn't go flying. Now it's time to plate. So, we're going to plate this.
So what are we starting at the base with?
Pico de gallo. Tomato salsa. Pico de gallo.
Followed up by
Salsa verde. Tomatillo salsa. It's kind of chunky, but there you go.
well, chunky is how you open the chunwok. Chunky, chunwok.
Oh, God. Oh, God damn it. Turn it off. Oh, shut up. Sorry. Oh, shut up.
Quiet, you.
Listen, Mr. Peabody, quiet you. Mr. Peabody, quiet you. Now, little sour cream. Little pickled onions.
Why is everybody always picking on me?
And since I usually do green onions, but I have microgreens, so I'm gonna use microgreens to be
Not micro blues, not micro yellows.
Micro greens. Kind of getting a little bit fancy here with the micro greens. Might as well, right? I had the micro greens, use them. These are nice. And there we go, folks. That is a Bisquick Taco Bake. Looks nice, huh?
Yeah.
There you go. So until next time, folks. I am the Autistic Chef, and the one-time award-winning Autistic Chef Dave Leahy.
And I am the three-time, no box of the woodwing, the box head.
And please follow us on our socials: Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, X, Facebook, all that. Please follow us. Thank you. And we will see you next time. Adios, folks.
Bye, everyone.